So let's get started. There are some basic procedures that must be followed to effectively control defect in die casting. You can't correct and control these defects without having system to the measure and report them. All right. A scrap reporting system is needed to so that the those have the responsibility to make improvement have a way to measure their progress, right? So however, the scrap report must be available to everyone in the plant. It is one of the important measurement, right? It is one of the important measurement about how well the plant is operating and whether it is improving or getting worse. The last and the process of improving quality is very complex, and the scrap report must be continuous process to provide the feedback so that the defect can be adequately controlled. All right. Okay. Two of the major categories of die casting defect are surface defect, also called flow defects, and the porosity. These are almost always the top defect in any die casting operation, any die casting shop floor, right? So this session will focus on recognizing and controlling flow related surface defect only. All right.